to my channel. I'm Trisha Gupta, and today I'm going to swatch and review one of the most affordable lipsticks in the market. It's from Blue Heaven. It's their Get Matte lipsticks. This cost only 90 rupees, 90 rupees each. It's very affordable. So, saying that, let's get started. So, the first shade that I'm swatching is my personal favorite shade from the batch. It's 602B, so comes in a plastic packaging. This is the quantity you get. The shade is absolutely beautiful. It's a very pretty brown shade. The formula is not super creamy, it's not super dry, it's average. Here's the quick pigment payoff. So it's not super pigmented. You have to build the pigment, like you need 1 or 2 layers at least. But the formula for 90 rupees is good. And look at that shade, it's a very pretty brown shade, and this will suit so many Indian skin tones, especially if you apply this with a brown lip liner. It looks so good. I really like this shade. It's brown mixed with maroon, थोड़ा सा warm side पे ये shade. It's a very Indian girl friendly shade, and ये मुझे तो personally बहुत पसंद है. फॉर्मूला भी कंफर्टेबल है, बट द फॉर्मूला इज़ नॉट ट्रांसफ़र प्रूफ. इट डज ट्रांसफ़र एंड सुपर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं है, एवरेज स्टे देता है. द नेक्स्ट शेड दैट आई एम ट्राइंग इज़ माई सेकेंड फेवरेट. इट्स 402 PM. It's a very pretty pink shade and I really like it. Again, the formula, you need multiple layers. The pigment payoff is good. थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग फील हो सकता है अगर आपकी लिप्स ऑलरेडी ड्राई हैं, तो डू अ लिप केयर बिफोर हैंड. बट लुक एट दैट एब्सोल्यूट ब्यूटीफुल पिंक शेड. इट्स सो प्रिटी. आई रियली लाइक दिस. बहुत ही अच्छा पिंक शेड है. It's a neutral warm pink. It's not super neutral, it's not super warm, it's a perfect blend. It's more on that neutral side, but मुझे थोड़ा सा warm hint भी मिलता है, and this will suit fair to medium skin tones. बहुत ही प्यारा shade है. I really like this. It's really pretty. The next shade that I have is 201M. It's a very pretty dark red shade. If you are like me and you like very deep dark red shades, you will really like this. Look at that pigment payoff. It's very deep, very dark, very blood like shade, or you can say it's like a vampire vampy dark red kind of shade. It's very deep, very dark, will suit like every Indian skin tone, especially deep dark girlies. This is gonna work for you. It's really pretty, very dark, bold, out there shade. The next shade that I have is 202M. It's a very deep dark maroonish shade. Really sorry for this bad application, but here's the side by side difference. This is what the shade looks like. As you can see, it's very deep. It's like dried blood, like blood जब सूख जाता है और डार्क हो जाता है. This is what it looks like. It's like maroon, very dark red mixed with brown. It's very goth girl appropriate shade. If you are a goth girl, you will love this. It's so good. It's a dusky girly friendly shade. Once again, I personally really like it. The next shade that I have is 203M. It's again a red shade, but it's a bit lighter than the two I showed before. I personally don't wear red on everyday basis, but I know some people like to wear red shades. So if you like red lipsticks for everyday use, I think this can be your thing. This shade is so pretty. It's not super dark, and personally it's a neutral warm shade. It's more on that neutral side, and if you have a neutral undertone, you will really like this. It's a very pretty red shade, and the price point 90 rupees. No complaints. It's really good for the price point. See, honestly, the formula is very average. It's nothing special, nothing out of the box, nothing crazy. But for price point, it's good. The last shade that I have is 204M, again a red shade, and this one is again on that maroonish dark red shade. आई नो बहुत सारे रेड लिपस्टिक्स ले लिए थे मैंने। ऑनेस्टली अगर आप ऐप के स्वॉचेस को देखोगे ना, मैच नहीं करता है। I got them after looking at the swatches provided by the app and honestly मुझे expected नहीं था कि बहुत सारे shades red निकलेंगे, but it's okay. The shade range is at least brown girl friendly, like इंडियन गर्ल्स के लिए बहुत सारे शेड्स थे। वन प्लस पॉइंट, सेकंड प्लस पॉइंट इज अफोर्डेबल एंड दिस शेड लुक्स सो प्रिटी। Here's my final review. For 90 rupees the formula is good. I won't say कि ये बहुत expensive perform करता है, कि बहुत crazy अच्छा perform करता है। No, it's an average formula. The formula is not bad, it's just average. आपको multiple layers लगेंगे to build a pigment. It's not the smoothest formula, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा drying भी नहीं है। It's an average formula. The shade range is very brown girl friendly. अगर आपका बजट कम है तो आप इसे ट्राई कर सकते हो। 90 रुपीज़ में ये एक अच्छा डील है। So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.